give it time. I know that I'm not easy. This cold heart of mine, she really took a beating before you. You stuck through blizzards, winter nights with you. Now I'm blooming just for you, for you. There's nothing I wouldn't do for you. There's nothing I wouldn't do for you. There's nothing I wouldn't do for you.
Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Yeah, so on today's video we're going to do a deep clean of my fridge and organizing it, plus the grocery haul. Yeah, so this is like a continuation of my previous video where I did a monthly grocery haul. So I'm just continuing with the rest. So I went to the market today. I was not able to film there. As I mentioned on the previous video, I'm not that well, so ni ile kujikaza tu. So that's why I didn't film in the market. Yeah, and I had someone help me pick the items. Yeah, and they came home. I just came afterwards. I hope you get to enjoy the video. So from the market, first thing we got is these bananas. These ones were going for 320 shillings. So these ones are for 100 shillings. I also got some amazing avocados. Each was going for 30 shillings. I got 5 of them. Some maize for giveaway. Okay, got some tomatoes and other tomatoes. So I got, these ones are a bit ripe than these ones. Yeah, so some tomatoes. We got some apples. Hey guys, why are apples so expensive? Imagine one apple was going for 50 shillings. Very, very, very expensive. But my baby loves them, so you have to have them always. So I got a pineapple for juicing. So here I got some lemon, green peppers, red and yellow, some ginger and turmeric. So I just wanted to show you something. So this is natural turmeric. For those who don't know, this is how it looks like. It looks like ginger, but it's a bit different. Can you notice the difference? Yeah. So this is turmeric. It's yellow in color in there. This is ginger. So normally I use this to make my own scrub and cooking as well. Yeah, so I got those ones. Some spring onions. I have to put them outside to dry. Spring onions. I love food that is made from spring onions. Tastes much better. We have minji. Minji's price is rising. This one was going for 120 shillings. Na hapo nimebagain from 150. Yeah. So my fridge is small. That's why I decided to take kidogo, because I know I'm going to fill it up. The deep freezer is too small, so didn't need to do much. Oh, we have some matumbo ya mbuzi matumbo. Okay, we got onions here. Onions were going for 100 per kg. I got 1.5. So I got some maize for breakfast. I hope I'll shoot that video for you. Boiled maize for breakfast. And then here we have potatoes. Potatoes were going for 200 per kasuku, so I got two. Got some carrots also. This one was 50 shillings, quite a lot. Some amazing fish. There's a lady who has nice fish. See? Yeah, I'm the only person and my baby in this house who consume fish currently. Yeah, so I just got one. The last item we got is kienyeji's. This is managu, and this is saga, and this is the omonyenye, the one that is not kali. So that's the grocery haul.
Everywhere is painted with your name. I remember that I was drunk out my mind when we kissed for the first time. In the back of your car we passed out counting stars. Promised all these years we'd pack our things and disappear. I never thought I would see you here after all this time. Try to replace you with somebody out there.
If I didn't chase you, would you even care?
And if I lost my mind, would you come around? I will keep you safe and sound after all this time.
To avoid migraines from discoloration, I always add bicarbonate of soda. The gurus of this channel know we've been doing this ever since we started our YouTube channel, and I've known this hack for more than 10 years now. Yeah, so I always add a quarter teaspoon of it, and then I add hot water to fasten the process. Sometimes I sprinkle some salt when I don't have the bicarbonate of soda. Also to mention, please make sure you use small amounts of bicarbonate of soda. A quarter teaspoon is enough, because if you overdo it, your greens will taste terrible. Next is our fridge, the moment you've all been waiting for. You guys love fridge cleaning and restocking, so I want to remove everything from my fridge apart from the deep freezer and deep clean it. Who loves a natural cream from milk like me? I don't throw it away. I use it especially in my vegetables. Hack for you guys: whenever you're washing your fridge glasses and shelves, especially if you have glass ones, please never use hot water. They'll break because they are straight from the fridge zikiwa baridi, and then you put hot water. Cold water can always do, just use cold water. So after my greens are boiled, I always run them through cold water to avoid more cooking, and that further prevents discoloration. As you can see, they are green as they were both.
Give it time. I know that I'm not easy. This cold heart of mine, she really took a beating before you.
In cleaning my fridge, I always use vinegar and lemon, and if you don't have lemon, you can use vinegar, and if you have lemon, you can use both. Yeah, so vinegar and lemon prevents your fridge from smelling or even removes odor from your fridge.
There's nothing I wouldn't do for you. There's nothing I wouldn't do for you. There's nothing I wouldn't do for you. For you. For you. For you. For Open eye, high blue skies for the first time. I got nightmares sometimes, 'cause I'm bracing for a storm I'm used to. You stuck through blizzards, winter nights with you. Now I'm blooming just for you. There's nothing I wouldn't do 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 for
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
When you store your carrots in water that is fully immersed in water, they stay longer and fresh for even more than a month.